Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find Tools folder, tap on it and choose Recorder app. Now select Allow in the pop-up and tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. You can also add a bookmark by tapping on this button with a flag whenever you need to, and when you're ready and you wish to save your recording and end it, you need to stop it first. Tap on this button over here with a check mark, name your recording however you wish to, and tap on OK. You can also delete it right away by tapping on delete, but I will go with save, so I'll have to tap on OK here and click on this icon with 3 lines now to access a list of all my recordings. If you wish to delete one of them, hold it, choose the bin icon at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!